You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, including from Welsh and Arabic, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Yes, because this name has two origins that are unrelated. One is Arabic, from the Quran, Islam. It's the name of a prophet in the Quran. The Arabic pronunciation is as Idris. Idris. The Welsh pronunciation is actually similar. It has nothing to do with the Quran or Arabic. Idris as well. Therefore, in English, it's most generally pronounced as Idris. Idris. Some may pronounce it as Iris, but it's generally either a mistake or it's just the English pronunciation, I guess. Do you pronounce it Idris? Let us know in the comments. Or Idris? Let us know how you pronounce it and where you're from, so we know a little bit better how to pronounce Idris. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.